Hi guys! Today let's learn how to do the half double crochet. We will start with a 12 chain foundation chain. The half double crochet stitch is typically equal to the height of about 1.5 chains, which is why some patterns recommend chain 1 as the toning chain and others say chain 2. Both are technically correct. I prefer the chain 1 height because I find using chain 1 as the toning chain strikes the best balance between the stitch height and the edge neatness. So I will chain 1 to start the first row. It is not counted as a stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain. You can feel free to insert your hook to the front loop, back loop, or the back pumps to your likings. Yarn over again, pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over one more time and pull through all the 3 loops. That's your first half double crochet. Yarn over, insert hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. You will keep repeating that across the row. To start a new row, simply chain 1 or 2 to your likings, or depends on your patterns. Then flip your work like turning a book page and make a half double crochet to every stitch or follow your pattern. Please make sure to check the number of stitches after each row to make sure you are working to all the stitches. The half double crochet stitch is shorter than a double crochet stitch, but taller than a single crochet. It is about 1/2 or 3/4 of the height of a double crochet row, so it's considered a medium height stitch. Compared to the other common stitches, the extra loop on the hook during the stitch gives the half double crochet a thicker, cushier feel compared to single crochet. It works out tighter than double crochet, which means your fabric won't be too holey, making it great for items that need warmth or structure. The stitch creates gentle horizontal lines across the fabric because of how the yarn settles after pulling through all the 3 loops. These lines gives the fabric a subtle, wavy texture that catches light beautifully. And that's how to make a half double crochet stitches. I will be back with the next video about a double crochet stitch. Stay tuned!